Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kimar, and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the apron, I'm coming at y'all with a making Starbucks at home video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Today we are going to be making a flat white, the traditional flat white, and a honey almond milk flat white. I saved the recipe, but I'm also just gonna kind of wing it based off memory. I do know, think about flat whites that makes them different from like a latte or a cappuccino is that they get whole milk and ristretto shots. So that's how we're gonna make the traditional one. I am gonna add a dash of vanilla in it though, just for some flavor. And then for the honey almond milk flat white, we are going to use a honey syrup and almond milk. Let's get into the materials that you will need. So first, of course, your espresso. I am a fan of the Starbucks blonde espresso. So that's what I'll be using. The next thing that you will need is your cup for steaming and adding water to your espresso machine. So I have two mugs, one for my traditional flat white, smaller one of course, and then one for my honey almond milk because I want more of that one. So two mugs, one just says you rule, and then the other one says happy spring. There we go. And of course we have our whole milk for the traditional. We also have our almond milk for the honey almond milk flat white. And then, like I said, I'm going to be using vanilla syrup for the traditional flat white. And then I'm going to be using this honey cinnamon syrup that I got from Marshall's. They had a whole bunch of syrups. If y'all want me, I took a picture of their coffee section. I'll insert it here. If y'all want me to like do a coffee haul, please let me know. The reason I've heard is why it's called a flat white is because, you know, it gets a little white dot. Most people don't see it because it's a hot drink, has a lid on it, but you pour it so that, you know, you get the little white dot on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the espresso shots pulling. So what ristretto means is a shorter shot, because I want to say the long ones are called like long something. So I think ristretto means a shorter shot. And so I'm gonna put less water because there's no function on this machine to pull for shorter shots. So I'm just gonna, you know, finesse it a little bit. I think only a little espresso will be enough. It's like less than under the 2 line. Only put about that much water. That's still kind of a lot though. Maybe I'll do less than that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that to brew and let it get hot. While it gets hot, I'm gonna go ahead and put my syrup in to the bottom. And then I'm also going to get some water ready for me to steam my milk, of course. And we just wait. So I went ahead and I stopped it from brewing. It was a situation kind of like last time when there was too much water in there already, so it was over brewing. So it is what it is. Kind of the caveat of having this machine. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my shot in. So I'm not gonna add all this water because clearly there's already water in there. So I'm just gonna add enough to get me started. Now we are going to put our whole milk in here and set it to steam. Like I said in the last video, you are going to want to make sure that you have it in the steam wand before you press steam, because it'll go everywhere if you try to put the milk in the steam wand after you already have it set to steam. So this has doubled in size. So getting the white dot was actually something that took me a long time to work on when I did work at Starbucks. I kind of remembered a little trick to doing it. I'll show this camera next time. Just get it on this camera first. You gotta start pouring far away and then gradually get closer. Oh, this is a total fail. Oh, wait. We didn't get a white dot. We didn't get a white dot, but we did get a white blob. We got our white blob, not quite a white dot. Okay, so let's take a little sip. Tasty, but it doesn't taste like anything special because it's kind of boring. Just a latte in a different font. It's good though. The blonde espresso is always, it's gonna hit every single time. Last coffee video I did, I was up all night. I definitely have to work in the morning, and it's 7:31 right now. So I mean, cute. She's cute, but she could be cuter. So the next one will follow a pretty similar recipe. So I put like the same amount of espresso in there, and I'm just gonna stick that out there. The only differences are gonna be the type of milk and the type of syrup. I'm not gonna add any more water to this machine just because I feel like I have enough. And then I'll go ahead and open my syrup. The syrup was sugar-free. I didn't know that. It was disgusting. The honey cinnamon syrup. So we'll just put a dash of honey cinnamon syrup. To me, this is like the perfect amount of espresso for this drink. Just like not too much, because it's supposed to be short shots. That's kind of the whole point of a flat white. I think, baristas correct me if I'm wrong, but I think. Then fill your little thing up about a third of the way with almond milk. So I've always had a hard time getting the white dot in this one in particular because almond milk is so thin that it's just like not as easy to control as whole milk. And if memory serves me correct, I want to say this drink was introduced like shortly before the pandemic started. So this is like one of the last drinks I learned to make. Okay, this one, the dot is actually better than the last one. White dot for y'all. Y'all can see. Okay, camera's a little crooked, but here we go. I like the first one better. I don't know if it's the syrup or what. I think it's a combo of the syrup and the almond milk. It's tasty, but I like the first one better. Guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like somehow this video was a little more chaotic than the last, and I really thought I would have had it together by now, but we do have an apron, so we are a little bit on the come up. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me know what y'all want me to make next. Actually, before we go, comment below what y'all want me to make next. Your favorite Starbucks drink. I can figure out a way to make almost anything on the menu, so nothing is off limits. Let me know. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.